little bit of milk. And then we're gonna add the final cup of milk. Alright. Push to open. Serve. Free food. I know, right? And that was pretty much our friend's perspective. That's the thing though, is like, it has to be good free food, right? Like, at least I knew, like, our friends were always super willing to take it, and that's because it was actually, like, decent food, so, which, like, you know, I like to think that that's true of me, is that I, like, put out some decent food, you know? Alright. I'm just gonna get that last bit of cream out of the cup. Perfect. Alright. Put the milk away. Alright. Pause for drink. Cheers, guys. Thank you for joining me. Happy Thursday. Keep a little wifey in. Alright. Did somebody say potatoes? Let's pull the masher out here. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, there it is. Great. So yeah, we're just gonna start mashing our taters. They've cooled down ever so slightly. I have a feeling we may have leftover mashed potatoes, which is not such a horrible thing, you know? Alright, well, it's pretty good. Let's just give our sauce a stir, make sure it's still... I'm gonna take some, whoops, where is it? Some sour cream and put it in. I love some sour cream and mashed potatoes. They make them nice and gives them like a really nice texture. So we're gonna put some in these. Plus, like, let's face it, sour cream is basically just like fat. So like, what's not to like about that, right? I already put some butter in there too, which is good. And then I also will probably put some salt just to season them, but we will see. Make sure you get every, you know, don't want like super lumpy mashed potatoes. I feel like a little bit of texture is not the worst thing in the world, right? But definitely don't want too much in your mashed potatoes. Ooh, yes. Honestly, I feel like what is leftover mashed potato? What does that mean? Take that little, there's just like a little bit of brown potato. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. Alright. I'm going to add a little bit of creme to these as well. And then let's just mix that in.